Hi there. AI Assistant can run a quick risk analysis of an app to help admins determine which apps should be allowed on devices enrolled in their environment. Let's go through a quick overview of how to run an app risk assessment using AI Assistant in Jamf Pro. To start, let's open AI Assistant and unpin the window so we can adjust its size. Next, we need to pinpoint exactly what app to target in order to run a risk assessment. For this example, I'm using the app TikTok, so let's ask AI Assistant to gather information about the app from the app catalog. Here we can see AI Assistant found a couple different options for TikTok in the app catalog and has listed the app's developer, bundle ID, and app ID. The top result is most likely the primary app, but we can ask AI Assistant to verify that for us. AI Assistant confirms that the top entry was the primary app, so let's ask it to run a risk assessment. Using the magic of video editing, I'm going to skip ahead as this process can take a little time. The risk assessment gives the TikTok app a risk rating of D. Scrolling down, we can see exactly what factors went into this risk analysis and some recommendations, including to potentially block or restrict the app in our environment. This information is very helpful. But let's ask where this risk assessment data comes from just to verify the credibility of our sources. Looks like this information is from Now Secure's Security Assessment database, which is a great resource. Let's find out if TikTok is installed on any of the devices in our environment. Let's use some video editing magic again to speed this along. It looks like only one device has this app installed. We can now use the information provided to determine the best next steps for our environment moving forward. If you have any questions or want to learn more, check out the AI Assistant documentation linked in the resources. Thanks for watching.